Here is a winter weather statement. For the following counties, in Indiana, Davies, Greene, Knox and Sullivan. Winter storm warning in effect from noon Saturday to 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Sunday. Heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulations between 7 and 10 inches. The areas affected include portions of central, east central, south central, southeast, southwest, and west central Indiana. The hazardous conditions are expected from noon Saturday to 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Sunday. The following impacts are expected. Travel could be very difficult. Additional details: heaviest snow will fall late Saturday night through early Sunday afternoon. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. The latest road conditions for the state you are calling from can be obtained by calling 511.